What's up guys, welcome back. I'm recording this video on a Sunday and I wanted to talk to you guys. Summer body is built in a winter time, which means it is right now the moment where we are sculpting a perfect physique for the summer. So summer body cannot be built in June or May, a few months before. It's actually built through hard work, quiet grinding during the winter time, like November, December, January, February, when everybody starts forgetting about New Year's resolution because everybody is excited about New Year's January, and a few weeks after, a few months after, most people quit, giving up, giving in to their own negative self-talk or their own distraction or laziness to combat against if you're sacrificing now, not necessarily everything, but sacrifice now a little bit to postpone immediate pressure, instant gratification to gain something later, then you're gonna be successful for sure. This applies to studying, applies for career, applies obviously for fitness as well. So this concept, notion of sacrifice now to gain later, this really applies to building a perfect physique, ideal physique for the summer, because winter time is where you're gonna build a lot of consistent habit to go to gym, hitting the gym like maybe 5 times, 6 times a week, and then consistently working out, also being strict, on point with diet. Of course, you can include a cheat meal, cheat day, leafy day to have high carb days to increase growth hormone and decrease stress hormone, which is kind of technique which could be another topic, completely another topic from this video. But when it comes to putting in hard work for whether you want to build a better physique or you want to learn or acquire new skills, you need to really sacrifice by implementing routines and habits, hard work where people don't notice you working hard. So for my case, I usually wake up like 6:30 a.m. and then go to gym around 8 or 8:30, 8:15, and then work on my own training program for like 45-50 minutes. In terms of a study, I passed AWS Solution Architect Associate. That was good. I studied past a month and a half. It was a lot of studying. Exam was tricky. It was not easy, but I think I scored more than 90%, which is really good. Now I'm preparing for System Operation SysOps Associate exam, which I just scheduled for this coming Wednesday, so 2 days and a half from today. So a lot of studying going on, a lot of gym, working out, a lot of front loading, investing my effort and time and energy for later. So exactly, I'm implementing this concept theory so that I can enjoy some time later, because winter time, I believe it's not, weather is not that nice. This winter weather is perfect for studying. So I'm curious about, what other people are, how they are spending time in winter time. I guess summertime is more distractions, weather is nicer, everything is like nicer, so it's hard to I think it's hard to set aside your own personal time, because everybody's gonna bug you like, hey, do this, let's go do this and do that. Whereas winter time, it's like, especially after New Year's, everybody's kind of tired from holiday seasons where they spend a lot of money, ate too much food, and they need to get back into shape, so they're back into routine and stuff. So right now nobody's really disturbing you, or not much temptation to do something outside, which is really nice. And then after start working on like few of your personal goals, like studying, career, fitness, spiritual goals, or reading books, or whatever you want to do to learn and grow. After like 60 days or so, like 2 months, you start noticing if you're putting consistent effort, then you're gonna notice like you're getting some results. If you're not getting results in 60 days, then you might be doing something wrong. So it might be a good time to have a reality check on whether your routine or habits or your system that you're implementing might not be efficient, might not be effective. But after 2 months, you should be able to see some results, because research says that the people can adopt a new habit in 67 steps. So this is a kind of magic number, 67 days, like 2 months. So this is kind of like a good benchmark date where you can measure yourself, you measure performance, your outcome, your results. 2 months, I can gain some muscles in certain parts that I've been working on for like 2 months with a diet, workout, and also studying. So exactly about 2 months before, it's February now, January, December. I mean like 2 months, I guess 2 months I've been studying, and then I produced some results, which is like passing the AWS exam, which is awesome. For fitness pillar, I've been working on shoulder, trapezius, and the neck, and thicker arms here. I've been working on increasing volume for workout. In terms of diet wise, I haven't really changed that much other than doing just carb cycling. But for workout, I should be able to see some results. I should be able to see that my traps and my triceps should be getting bigger. In terms of my body weight, I gained weight for sure from like 2 weeks ago. Came back from Berlin. I have mentioned about my recent weight gain in past videos, recent videos, but I have gained like 2 kilos, 4 or 5 pounds. However, my waist didn't really increase that much. So that means I gained weight, but my waist didn't really, increase. So I think I put good muscle mass, lean muscles on some other body parts, as opposed to gain some body fat. Because when you gain weight and then body fat first, not necessarily, you might gain weight because you add muscle or you add body fat. If you add a body fat, it'll show up in your face and also this lower abdominals. I haven't gained that much meat of body fat in this abdominal area, so I could say that I'm not too worried about gaining weight. I think some weights went to new muscle mass, which I'm happy about. Although I don't see much veins anymore as much as before, but looking back on those pictures when I had so much more veins popping, my physique was much like skinnier, slimmer, thinner, like bony compared to right now. It's a little subtle difference, but I can definitely see the difference. So I don't want to be skinny, bony, and then shredded. I want to add like muscle masses, especially like shoulder, like reverse V shape and reverse triangle for kind of Greek god physique. So that's what I've been focusing on. How about you guys? It's almost the end of February, middle of February coming in, and then soon after it's going to be end of February, which means March is coming in, which means a first quarter of the month of the year is already coming to the end. So this point, 2 months and a half, right? A month and a half into 2019, this is a really good checker point, because as I said, people can start building a new habit in 67 days. So people can change, whether it's about building a reading habit or building a meditation habit or building a positive attitude habit, positive self-talk habit, or it could be about standing up straight, getting up, using a standing desk, or it could be about going to gym, working on your fitness, working on your posture, working on your strength on your back or legs or abdominals, or it could be about learning new skills for your job, or learning about, let's say, computer science, or it could be about your, in university, or you might want to take some exam or certification to increase your skills, professional skills. Whatever those goals are, your personal goals, you should be able to do a checkup and measure, quantify your results in 2 months. So 2-month mark is approaching in 2 weeks. So I think it's good time to look back on your past a month and a half, what you have been focusing on. And then if you think this area needs more work, then you should do that self-reflection and write down so that you can kind of modify your systems, your routines, or your daily focus, because what you focus is what you value, right? So you need to focus your attention, as I said in the previous videos. And so this is the end of this video. I just wanted to do kind of a regular check-in with myself and also kind of share with you guys about this idea, 67 days, new habit. Are you getting some new results? If not, maybe doing something wrong. If you're doing something wrong, you need to fix it, because it is an insanity. It is a stupidity to repeat doing the same things over and over again and then expect different results, according to Albert Einstein. So let's learn from the one of the greatest greatest mind in the history, and let's not repeat history. With that said, I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. We should be growing, we should be learning, we should be mindful, and then we should be headed toward a better place, which is pretty much about bettering ourselves, to become a better version of ourselves. It's a personal growth, which is perpetual a growth journey for us. It is life is not about destination where we go to, but it's more about journey itself. It's in the progress that we should enjoy. So let's enjoy the process, and also, make this more enjoyable by being accountable for ourselves, and also share our goals so that we can motivate each others. And it's not about winning or competing against other people. It's about competing against yourself. Your best and worst enemy is yourself, not anybody else, because we all of us are playing different games. We are from a different place, from a different year, a different skills, strengths, weaknesses. So we are not competing for the same game. So we play different games, and the only thing we should compare against is who we were yesterday, not who someone else is today in a different country, or celebrities, or a president, or prime minister of some country. So let's not forget about this, and then let's keep growing. I will see you guys in next video. Ciao, ciao, bye, bye.